The topic of this video is how to create an account on Payoneer. Let's get into it.
Payoneer is a money transfer service that extends across borders worldwide.
Your Payoneer account operates just like a traditional bank account.
Once you provide customers with your Payoneer account information, money can be received and then deposited into your local bank account.
I am on the dashboard of Payoneer. To get in, you have to get yourself registered first. Click the Register option. Types of accounts will appear. I will click on the first. That is freelancers and online professionals. Payment purposes will be shown. And this is suitable for my account. Now choose the amount you receive monthly. Your account is selected here. Simply click on the Register. This type of page will appear, where you are required to add information.
From the first option, choose your business type, whether it is a company or an individual.
Now fill out the further details. As a first name, write here your first name and second name. Then I will add my email address here. Re-entry of email. Then your date of birth from the given calendar. Click over Next now to proceed further. Now the turn of contact details. Add your country and then your street number. The name of the city or your town. Then zip or postal code. Now you have to add your mobile number here.
Click on the Send Code option below for the verification process.
Add your verification code here and proceed next. Now you have to add security details. First of all, add your password carefully. After that, choose any security question from here. I will choose the name of my childhood friend, and then answer it by its actual name. Now add identity details. I'd type, and then your ID number. Here you must add your name in the local language. First name and then last name. When you proceed to the next, the last step of this process will start, where you have to add your bank name, the IBAN of your account, and once again your ID number. Click on the boxes of terms and conditions and process and fees, and then submit. Your application is completed. The next step is review. As it is mentioned, you will receive an email confirmation within the next several business days. When you receive that email, simply open it and click on Verify Email. As I have received it, I am going to verify it. Now here you can sign in simply by username and password. Now click on I am not a robot. Sometimes it will tease you. Simply sign in. A two-step verification process will start, where you have to add your number. Then click on Turn On. You will receive a code. Simply add that code and submit. You can save your password here. That's all about how you can create a Payoneer account. I hope you learned something from this video. If you have any question, don't hesitate to comment down below. And thank you for watching.